When it comes to home security, your doors play a crucial role in protecting your family and belongings. Many homeowners in Layton don't realize that an improperly installed or outdated door can make their home vulnerable to break-ins, energy loss, and weather damage. Professional door installation is a key investment that enhances security, durability, and peace of mind. Here's how hiring experts for door installation in Layton can significantly improve your home's security. Stronger door materials for maximum protection. Not all doors provide the same level of security. Professional installers can recommend and install doors made from high-quality, impact-resistant materials such as steel doors, extremely durable and difficult to break or force open. Fiberglass doors, resistant to warping, cracking, and denting while providing excellent insulation. Solid wood doors, a classic choice with natural strength, but requiring proper sealing to maintain durability. Choosing the right material ensures that your entryways remain strong against potential intruders and extreme weather conditions. Precision installation for a secure fit. A poorly installed door can create gaps that allow for forced entry, air leaks, and even pest infestations. Professional door installers ensure that the door fits snugly within the frame, leaving no space for prying tools. Heavy-duty hinges and strike plates are correctly positioned and secured. Proper weather stripping and seals are installed to prevent tampering. A secure fit means better insulation, increased security, and improved home comfort. Advanced locking mechanisms for added safety. One of the most significant benefits of professional door installation is the inclusion of high-security locking systems. Many older doors come with outdated locks that are easy to pick or bypass. New doors can include multi-point locking systems, securing the door at multiple points along the frame. Deadbolts with reinforced strike plates, preventing forced entry. Smart locks and keyless entry, allowing homeowners to control access remotely. Upgrading to modern lock technology ensures your home stays secure against unauthorized access. Reinforced frames and impact resistance. A strong door is only as effective as the frame and support structure holding it in place. Professional installation includes reinforced door frames, making them resistant to kick-ins and forced entry attempts. Weather-related damage, such as warping from extreme temperatures. Pest infestations, preventing cracks that allow insects or rodents inside. Reinforced frames add another layer of protection, making break-ins far less likely. Weatherproofing and energy efficiency. Layton experiences a range of weather conditions, from cold winters to hot summers. A well-installed, properly sealed door provides better insulation, keeping heat inside during winter and cool air in during summer. Reduced energy bills, thanks to improved temperature control. Moisture resistance, preventing rot, mold, and material damage. By ensuring proper weatherproofing, your home becomes more energy efficient and comfortable year-round. Smart technology integration for modern security. Technology has transformed home security, and professional door installation allows for seamless integration of smart security features, such as video doorbells to monitor visitors and potential threats, Keypad entry systems for enhanced security and convenience. Remote-controlled locking mechanisms, allowing homeowners to secure doors from anywhere. With smart security enhancements, you can monitor and control access to your home with ease. Increased home value and curb appeal. A secure and stylish entry door not only improves safety but also boosts your home's curb appeal and resale value. Modern doors come in a variety of finishes and colors to complement your home's aesthetic. Glass panel options that provide elegance without compromising security. Custom designs tailored to fit your home's architecture. A professionally installed high-quality door increases home value, making it a wise investment for the future. Deterring crime with visible security upgrade. Studies show that burglars are less likely to target homes with visible security enhancements. A new, professionally installed door sends a clear message that your home is well maintained and secure. Features like reinforced steel cores, smart locks and surveillance integration, high-quality deadbolts and security bars. These deter potential intruders, making your home a less attractive target. Final thoughts. Secure your home with professional door installation in Layton. If you want to enhance home security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, professional door installation in Layton is the way to go. Investing in high-quality materials, modern security features, and expert installation ensures that your home stays protected for years to come. Don't leave your home's security to chance. Contact a trusted door installation expert in Layton today and take the first step toward a safer, more secure home.